Welcome viewers, this is Roshmi from Roshmi's Boutique of Kolkata. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you some silk batik. Let's start. Sari number 1. These all are Bishnupur silk. The color is orange. This is tangy orange color. Palla portion. Here is the Palla portion. From Palla, this design will go like this way. It will come in the front. This is the lower border. The color is orange, pure orange color, and from on the pleats this design will again come like this way. See, this is pleats portion. I will show you the entire view. See, this is the view of the entire sari. Palla portion. For booking you can call or WhatsApp 93308 66384. The price of this sari is 3950. This is pure Bishnupur silk. Batik, hand batik on pure Bishnupur silk, and here is the blouse piece. Black with orange border. Sari number 1. Sari number 1, Bishnupur silk batik. The material is Bishnupur silk with silk mark certification. Sari number 2, black with peach color. See, from Palla, this is Palla portion. I will show you the entire sari. See, from Palla, half sari will be like this, and on pleats, this color will come with the crack. This color will come in the pleats. And after pleats, again this portion, here is the view. This is blouse piece. I will show you this sari from the beginning. This is the blouse piece. Then it will come like this way. This is pleats portion, and the rest half from the Palla to front portion, it will be like this. See the view. Price is same 3950, and all the silks are silk mark certified, and these all are Bishnupur silk. See, this is the draping view of the sari, sari number 2, Palla portion. For booking you can call or WhatsApp 93308 66384. We deliver pan India through courier, and courier charges is absolutely free. The price of these saris are 3950. Sari number 3. This is denim blue color. This is denim blue color. I will show you the design. Here is the Palla. Here is the Palla portion. The base color is denim blue, and see, this is the front portion. It will come in the front. And the rest half is like this. This is the rest half with the border. This is Palla, and the blouse piece of this sari is also denim blue. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 3, price is same 3950, and all the silks are silk mark certified. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives, and subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Sari number 4. This is a very much traditional batik with lotus motif. Palla portion. Here is the Palla portion. This sari is with the border only. Both side borders are there, and this is biscuit color. This is biscuit color with both side border. This portion is maroon. Here is the entire view. This is the entire view. Price 3950, sari number 4. Palla portion, very traditional batik. And The blouse piece of this sari is maroon. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 4. Sari number 5. Sari number 5. This is also very unique one. The color combination is very different. Palla portion with a big floral motif. Palla portion. This is cream color or tasar color, you can say. This portion is red. All these flowers are with red and black. Entire sari with the crack motifs, and the price is same, 3950. 3950. For my new viewers, please subscribe to get the notification of the next episode. Press the bell icon. Here is the palla, and the blouse piece of this sari is black. This is the blouse piece. Price 3950. This is sari number 5. Here comes sari number 6. Peach color, another peach with black combination. This is also very pretty one. I will show you the sari. This is a diagonal design. This is a diagonal design. See, here is the palla portion. From palla, this design will go like this way. I will show you the entire draping view, otherwise you cannot understand. We deliver pan India through courier, and the courier charges is absolutely free, but you have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. And moreover, COD facilities is available only within Kolkata. See, here is the view of the entire sari. Peach color with black combination. Here is the palla, and the blouse piece of this sari is also peach with the border. Peach with the border. Price is 3950. Material, these all are Bishnupur silk. These all are Bishnupur silk. Sari number, this is sari number 7. Black and white combination. See the palla. Here is the palla portion. Have a close look of the palla. So colorful. And this is the entire view. See, this is the entire view. This border will come in the front, in the upper border, and this is the lower border. The entire sari is like this. Price 3950. These all are Bishnupur silk. All are Bishnupur silk with silk mark certification. Palla portion, and here is a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 8. Black with panel work. This is jet black with panel work. See, palla portion, and the entire sari with this panel work. See the sari. This sari is without any raid. Viewers, for you, this sari is without any raid. This is panel work on black. Very beautiful work. And the price is, as usual, 3950. For booking, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. This is sari number 8. Sari number 9. Another panel work, but the color is different. This is denim blue. This is denim blue. Here is the palla. See the palla portion. See the palla portion. And it is the entire body. Denim blue with this work. There is also no red. This is orange and peach. There is no red. This is orange and peach color. The work, the color of the sari is denim blue, and the work has been done with peach and orange, peach and orange, but this is not red. Sari number, this is sari number I think 9. Price is 3950, denim blue with panel work, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Next one, sari number 10. I'm showing you peach color, but all are different, all are of different designs, different pattern rather. See, palla portion. Palla portion. This is also a diagonal design. See, there is also no red. There is also no red. Peach color with black combination and peach yellow are there. This is also a diagonal design. Here is the view of the entire sari. Price 3950. You can book the sari with after taking a screenshot, or you can mention the number of the sari. This is sari number 10. Sari number 10, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 11, another unusual color in batik. Very unusual color. Here is the palla. Palla portion. Then the design will go in this way. It is a little bit similar like orange first one. See, here is the front portion, and on pleats this design will come again. See, this will be the pleats portion. This will be the pleats portion. Price is 3950. The color is turquoise blue, and this border is of red, and the blouse piece is black. Price 3950. All the silks are Silk Mark certified. Viewers, you have to book the sari and make the payment through Google Pay or internet banking, and I will send you the sari through courier, through DTDC courier, and the courier charges is absolutely free. Next one, sari number, this is sari number 12, palla portion. The color is maroon. The color is maroon. I will show you this motifs. This is with a border, both side border. Upper border is very low, simple and thin, and here is the lower border. Price is as usual 3950. These all are Bishnupur silk. Palla portion. For booking, please take a screenshot, or otherwise you mention the sari number. Here is the blouse piece. The color is maroon. This is sari number 12. Then sari number 13, rust. Panel work, again another panel work with rust color. Rust color, palla portion. Palla portion. And here is the view of the entire sari. See, this is the view of the entire sari. Panel work. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives, and subscribe. For my new viewers, please press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. This is sari number 13, rust color. Panel work, price is same 3950. These all are Bishnupur silk with Silk Mark certification. Sari number 14, green color. Green color, these all are typical green of batik. This is also a diagonal design. I will show you the design. Palla portion on black. This is palla portion. Palla is on black. Then this design will go like this way. See the color combination. Very bright and very unusual. The best color is green. The best color is green. Here is the view of the entire sari, and the blouse piece of this sari is also green. I will show you the blouse piece also. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 14. This is sari number 14. Price is as usual 3950. Then sari number 15 on white base with orange piping. This is not red, not maroon. See, with the lotus motif. Palla portion. Palla portion, and the entire body is like this. Here is the view of the entire body. Price 3950. Here is the view of the entire body. And the blouse piece of this sari is also orange. I will show you the blouse piece also. This is the dripping view of the sari. Palla portion. For booking, please take a screenshot, or otherwise you can mention the sari number. Here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is orange. This is sari number 15. It was 15. Now I will show you sari number 16. Sari number 16, another denim blue. Here is the palla with the bird's motif. Palla portion. The color of the sari is denim blue. There is also no red. All the birds are with some different color, pink, peach and all this, but there is no red. This is the front portion. On the pleats, this design will come. Pleats is like the palla portion. Here is the pleats. See the entire view. On pleats, this design will come. The color of this sari is denim blue, and here is the blouse piece with the bird's motif. Here is the blouse piece. Enter view of the sari. Enter view of the sari. Price 3950. 3950. Sari number 17. Another denim blue, but this is half and half concept. With the half and half concept, here is the palla. Palla portion. Then this design will come in the front. See the design. And the rest half is again denim blue. Rest half is again denim blue. I will show you the exact view of the sari. See, here is the view of the sari. Price is 3950. 3950 palla portion. And the blouse of this sari is also denim blue. This is sari number 17. Sari number 17. Now sari number 18, rani color with black combination. This is also another beautiful sari. I will show you. See, palla portion. From palla, this design will go in this way with the waves. See, here is the view of the entire sari. Here is the view. It will be like this. This is the draping view of the sari. Sari number 18. Price 3950. Price 3950. These all are Bishnupur silk with silk mark certification. For booking, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Here is the blouse piece. Then sari number 19. Sari number 19. Another white base, but there is red. Palla portion. Here is the entire body. See, this is the entire body, but there is some red. Even this border is also red. Viewers asked me to mention whether this color sarees are having red color or not. That's why I am mentioning. All the sarees are Bishnupur silk batik, and the prices are 3950 with silk mark certification. Then saree number 20. Saree number 20, another panel work, but this is black, and here is the palla portion. Palla portion. This is the body. Price is as usual 3950. These all are Bishnupur silk. The blouse piece of this saree is red. The blouse piece of this saree is red, and the price of this saree is 3950. Saree number, this is saree number 20. For booking, please take a screenshot. Here is the blouse piece, or you can mention the number while making the booking. We deliver pan India through courier, and there is no extra shipping charges. Shipping charges is absolutely free. Saree number 21, palla portion. This saree is also without any red. Here is the palla portion. Here is the border. This is the border, and this is the palla portion. And the entire body on white base with black cracks. Materials are Bishnupur silk. Price 3950. Price is 3950. And the blouse piece of this saree is black. I will show you the blouse piece also. Here is the blouse piece. Saree number 20. This is 22. Panel work on white base with maroon. Another panel work with maroon combination on white base. Palla portion. Palla portion. Here is the body. Here is the body, and the color is maroon. See, here is the view of the entire saree, palla portion. Price 3950, and the blouse piece of this saree is also maroon. Here is the blouse piece. Saree number 23, another green color. Another green color with leaves motif, palla portion. This is also a diagonal design. See, here is the view of the entire saree. Price is 3950. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Here is the view of the entire saree. This is saree number 23. Now viewers, I will show you something special, which is saree number 24 and 25. Please stay with me to see the work. Palla portion. I will show you the palla in this way. See the palla portion. This is Radha Krishna. Palla portion, and the entire saree maroon with this lotus motifs. See, the color is maroon. Base color is maroon. See the view of the entire saree. Palla portion. price of this sari is 4150. 4150. This material is also Bishnupur silk, but the price is 4150 for this integrated work, for these motifs. Another one, sari number 25 of today's episode, last sari. This is also similar, only the color is different, but you should know. See the sari, palla portion. Here is the palla portion. See the palla, and the color is rani color with lotus motifs. Both the designs are same, only the color combination is different. Here is the palla. Material is also same, Bishnupur silk, and the price is 4150. 4150. Here is the palla, and the blouse piece is also of rani color. Viewers, I have shown you 25 silk batik, all are on Bishnupur silk. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. Thank you.